We continue with the warrior. Bring your legs 3.5 foot or 4 foot apart. Inhale, arms shoulder level. Right foot in, left foot out. Bend your knee, have an angle of 90 degrees. Inhale, as you exhale, turn your head and look at your fingers. Inhale, turn your foot, turn your torso. Inhale, as you exhale, bend your knee, turn your head and look at your right fingers. Inhale, come up. Jump your feet together.